So in BDC, let's try recording a screen and check how it is working. Okay.
Sure.
So we'll try with MM01 transaction code. First, we'll create one material. What is MM01?
Material
Creating
purchase
material master data. So what are the tables, related tables for MM01? What is the table for material master data?
Mara
What is the table for material text data?
MAKT.
Okay. Let's create one record manually. MM01. If you don't enter any material number, it will automatically assign a material number based on the sequence number, or else you can also use a material number. I'm just selecting material type, so that system will assign the material number. Whatever the available range, it will assign. Okay. We'll select the material type. I'll select finished product. Okay. Enter. These are all not required. I'm deselecting all and selecting only basic data. Continue. So I'm entering material description. Whatever the description I'm entering here, where it is going to save? In the screen I'm entering the material description, right? In which table it is going to save?
Text table.
It's going to store in text table, MAKT table. Okay. Unit of measurement. I'm entering the unit of measurement. I'm entering ton. Where this unit of measurement value is going to save? In which table?
Master table.
Mara table. Okay. Click on save. So I've entered only some basic details. Material description, unit of measurement. Material got created. That is 30102. Go to Mara table. Go to Mara table and check 30102. So this is the material which we created. Material type is ALFT. Okay, what is ALFT? ALFT is finished product. Okay. There are different material types. Okay. So the data is not correct. Usually FERT is the finished product. Okay. But someone created different material types with the same finished product type. Usually FERT is the material finished product type. So it's created unit of measurement is ton. It's created a record in Mara table. It should also reflect the record in MAKT table with text data, right? Because we cannot find description here. Why we are maintaining descriptions in a separate table, that is in text table? In SAP, why descriptions are maintained in a separate table, that is text table? What is the reason?
Maybe it depends on the country language and easy to identify.
Because to support the language translation, whenever when a english when we log in with english language, all the data should be available in english language. When we log in with japanese system, japanese language code, all the data should automatically convert into japanese. Okay, so to support that functionality, we are going to store text data in a separate table. Okay, whenever you are selecting data from text table, what is the mandatory parameter or mandatory input you have to pass?
Language.
Language,
Language.
spras. Okay,
Cross.
then only you will get the correct data. Otherwise you will get incorrect data, like you may get japanese language data, or you may get chinese language data. Okay, so we created a material 3012. So let's try using a BDC program. Let's do the same, because since it is one material, I'm able to create here in the screen MM01. Let's say in my old system, non-SAP system, I have 1 lakh materials. So we implemented SAP in our company, but we don't have any data right in it. Initially, it's a empty server. When we implement SAP, initially there will be no data in it. We have to create the data by migrating the non-SAP data into SAP, right? For example, in your system, in your company, you have 1 lakh materials data. Is it possible to create all these 1 lakh materials using MM01 manually?
No, it is not possible.
It is possible, but it will take time.
Time.
Also, it is not possible to maintain consistency. I may enter wrong data. When creating these 1 lakh materials, that user may enter incorrect data. Instead of tons, he may enter kg. He may enter incorrect description, right? There is a chance of
Yes,
mistakes, right? He may miss a few materials. When he is trying to create 1 lakh records, he may miss some records, right? And also it will take time. So to avoid this, we use BAPI or BDC. So for this current specific requirement, we can use BDC program or BAPI program, because material creation, BAPI is already available. Okay, SAP is provided a BAPI function module to create the material data. We'll see BDC example and BAPI example. Okay, first we'll see BDC process, how we create data. So first, so you know how to create it. We'll create one more time. 30102 is already created, right? We'll give 30103. Now I am assigning a material number. Okay, enter number range. This number range looks like this number range is not available. Okay, let the system assign the number. So I'm deselecting all. I'm selecting only basic data and click on continue. One second. Sorry. Okay. So let's first prepare a file. No, first we have to record it, right? First, let's try recording and see. What is the transaction code for recording, screen recording?
SHD, SHDB,
Hmm?
Then
SHDB,
Go to SHDB and create a new recording. What is the transaction code we have to record? MM01, right? Start recording. Select material type. What are we doing next? We are clicking on continue or enter.
enter.
Enter. Select basic data. Click on continue. See, please observe whatever the clicks we are doing here, whatever the options we are selecting here, we have to select carefully because it's going to record. The system is going to record in background. Whatever the actions you are doing here, all those steps will be recorded. So next time when you are writing the program, same steps will be repeated. Okay,
Oh,
continue. Enter the material description. What next? Enter the unit of measurement. What we are doing next?
save,
Click on save.
save.
Right? Material type is not allowed. Looks like we selected invalid material type. See, these are the steps what we recorded. Okay. What is this? This is program name. MM01 program name. This is screen number. So when you click on process, continue. See, what is the, so we selected the material type. What is OK code means? For every button, for every enter, for every button, there will be a code configured. Okay. For continue or enter, equal to enter is the code. We call it as OK code. Okay. So click on continue. After selecting basic data, click on continue. For continue also, equal to enter is the code. What is BABA? That is for save. BABA is save action. For save button, code is BABA. When you click on continue, okay. Now let's record one success one. Proper material number. Create one more recording. Or we'll delete this. MM01 start recording. Continue. Select basic data. Enter the description. Click on save. Okay, record created. Record created equal to BU. What is this OK code? Equal to BU. It is for save button. This code is configured for save button, right?
Oh,
So when we click on save button, this code will be called. This is called BDC underscore OK code. We have to pass BU for this field, BDC underscore OK code. See, since it is a screen, we are using mouse to click on the button. But when we need to make it as a program, we have to use the code configured for that button. Okay. For continue, what is the code?
equal to
Equal to
enter.
ENTR. Okay. What is BDC underscore cursor? BDC underscore cursor is on
Material.
RMMG1 MTART field. What is this MTART? MTART
Material.
is material type. What BDC cursor means? When you first open the transaction code, where your cursor should be available. Go to MM01. Okay. BDC cursor means where your cursor is available in which field. Click on F1, select this field, material type, and click on F1. Go to technical information. What is the field name?
RM or
EMTRT, right? It is same one, right?
same.
So when you open the transaction code, if you want to put your cursor in a specific field, you can use BDC cursor. Pass the field value. Then your cursor will be automatically available on that field. Okay. What is this? Here we are passing the value. GFIN means finished product. Okay. Here we are passing the value for the material type. GFIN is the value. Clear? So then we can continue, right?
Yeah.
We enter the material type and click on continue. What is happening? It is navigating to a different screen, right? Just observe here. Go to status, system, status. So this is the initial screen. What is the program for MM01 transaction code? This is the program.
SAP.
Same program, right? SAP LMGMM. In which screen we are in?